Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh on Wednesday said that he will send a recommendation to the Center for implementing the National Register for Citizens (NRC) in the state, as his government cannot do it alone. Singh's statement came a few days after the Assembly passed a resolution urging the central government to implement the NRC in the state in the interest of the state in particular and of the nation in general. The state cannot implement it NRC. We have taken a resolution in the House. We are sending a recommendation to the central government to do the needful for implementation of NRC in Manipur, Singh told reporters at the sidelines of a program. The Manipur Legislative Assembly has passed a private member resolution advocating for the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) in the state. The resolution, moved by a Tangkhul Naga MLA and supported by a diverse coalition including a Naga minister, 2 Meitei Pangal MLAs and Meitei MLAs, marks a significant moment in the state's legislative history. The Chief Minister of Manipur Biren Singh took to the microblogging site X on March 2 to announce the momentous occasion, stating the collective resolve of indigenous communities in Manipur to safeguard the state and the nation through the implementation of the NRC. The 1st of March 2024 marks a historic event in the Manipur Legislative Assembly, stated Chief Minister Biren Singh. This united effort showcases the resolve of indigenous communities in Manipur to implement NRC to save the state and the nation. This is truly a pivotal moment in the Manipur Legislative Assembly's history. The Manipur Legislative Assembly convened on March 1 for its 5th session for the 12th Assembly, where it resolved to urge the Indian government to expedite the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) in the state. This decision, echoing a previous resolution passed on August 5, 2022, underscores the Assembly's unwavering dedication to preserving Manipur's security and integrity.